Hello everyone, this is Anti. Welcome to another Life and Wealth Mastery. Today, September 16, 2020. The Fed will be speaking today. Here's some of the things that I will look for. I always focusing on the 10-year treasury rate, the 10-year yield, which is right now trading at around 0.68%. Compared to a year ago, it was at 1.84%. And why is it the 10-year treasury is so important? Is the benchmark used to decide on the mortgage interest rate across the United States and is the most liquid and traded bond in the world. As some of you may know that I'm a real estate license since 2001, and I always focus on the 10-year yields because that's how I can really pay attention to the debt market. Okay, and I pay attention to how's my US dollar is doing. And if the 10-year yield start to go up, interest rate have to go down. And what does that mean for a real estate investor? There's opportunity for you to get into a real estate investment with good cash flow due to the low interest rate, the power leverage. Okay, so that's one way to look at it. And another, on a macro standpoint, what the Fed trying to do is, and I'm pretty confident that they are not going to raise the interest rate today, because raising the interest rate can only cause more damage to our economy right now. We are pretty weak. We have an unemployment rate at 8.4%, even though it's falling down from the previous high. But still, we are not near the stable economy where it's time for the interest rate hike. So what they got planning to do, I believe they will keep the rate nearly zero or unchanged. And I think what they're gonna do to control the inflationary rate is pretty much to buy back some more corporate debt, like increase the buyback on bonds and the mortgage-backed securities. So that, in a way, that's what Wall Street wants. As an investor, if the Fed come out and do that, the stock market will rise. Because think about it, if the interest rate on the bank, the Fed rate is so low, if you put your money in the bank account, like I mentioned before in my previous video, it's trash, right? It's just mean you don't get any money. So it's kind of forced the public to go out and spend and invest into the equity, which is the stock market, or which is you can invest into the real estate market, which is because of the low interest rate. But what I also want to watch out for, if you notice, the dollar is weakening, right, as the 10-year yield up, okay, which is normal, right? That's how it's supposed to be. But when the dollar is start weakening, like I keep on telling you in my previous video, is that you need to start looking into other assets such as gold, silver, cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin Cash. Those are the three, right, that I invested in. And as of right now, this week, precious metal, gold, silver have gone up. And it is testing try to push over the $1,980 per ounce in gold. And silver is now trading at spot price of above $27 an ounce. So I just want you guys to pay attention on that. And that's what I will be paying very close attention to. And crude oil. Crude oil has been sleeping for the last few weeks, where every other sector in the market has been performing up and down, and gaining traction. But crude oil today have pushed over the $39, and it's trading at $40 right now as I speak. So that's positive news. So we'll see how the market gonna play out for the rest of the day. But as I always, never be afraid to take back your profit, especially on the Fed day. So happy investing. And if any question, feel free to make a comment below if you want to hear more about precious metal, on how I invest into precious metal and invest into other markets. Okay, so if you like my video, don't forget to give me a thumb up and subscribe. Thank you so much.